Hello everyone. This keyword is one of the important keyword in the Java. We will discuss about that in this session. This keyword is a reference variable which is making the reference of the current object of the class. This reference is created automatically by the Java compiler. This keyword can be used in the following purposes, which is used to refer the instance variable when there is a confusion between with local variables or method arguments with the same name. For example, here the variables already initiated with the integer data type a comma b. Likewise, in the constructor also we are passing the arguments with the same data type and the names. So in this place we can use this keyword to refer the current variables of the class by using the this keyword, and which is used to call overloaded constructors from another constructor of the same class. For example, here we are having the constructors example, and here this can be used to call another constructor which is having the arguments here. So in this location also we can use this keyword. This dot variable name is used to refer explicitly about the instance variable, and which is used to pass an argument in the method call, and which is used to pass an argument in the constructor call. And also one more important thing, this keyword cannot be used in a static method. Examples which is given here for this keyword for a variable here used. First we are defining the main method. Here we are initializing the obj1 to call the constructor which is having the name example. So here we are passing the arguments 100 comma 10, as well as here the class is defined with the name example and integer variable a which is having the value 5000 and integer variable b which is having the value 2000. When you are invoking this method example of 100 comma 10, we are passing the values here 100 comma 10 with the variables a comma b. Already we are having the variables a comma b with the same name. So in this context we can use this keyword to refer the current object variable. So here the current object is obj1, so for which is taking the values 100 comma 10. So here the 100 comma 10 will come into the execution instead of this 5000 comma 2000, because we are using the this keyword to refer the current instance variable obj1. So this will carry this keyword will assign the values 100 comma 10 to this variable a comma b respectively. Then we are calling the method display by using the object obj1. So here a is having the value 100 and b is having the value 10, so which is printed by using the method display when we are calling this, as we have shown in the output uh, output window, right? So like that we can use the this keyword for referring the method. So here we are having the class name is example1, and we are defining the constructor with the example1 without arguments. Here the class is having the local variables a comma b with integer data type, as well as here we are defining the statements inside the constructor. Here you see this constructor is used to refer the constructor. The here the constructor name is example1. Likewise, whenever you are using the this keyword inside the constructor to refer the method name, it will use same method name, that is example1. So when we are having this example1, we are passing the argument 10 comma 20. So then automatically which is calling the example1 which is carrying two arguments 10 comma 20, those are integer data type which are passing here implicitly. So here 10 comma 20 is passed, which is referred by using the this keyword to represent the current variable which are passing here a comma b. So 10 comma 20 will be assigned here, then this statement will be printed. So here you see first this statement, it is a parameterized constructor is printed, then values of the a and b is printed here. So a is 10 and b is 20, both are printed. Then this method constructor is over here. Then next one is which is coming to the control in this second line of the first default constructor, which is printing the empty line. So empty line is printed here, then which is printing the default constructor statement here, which is printed. Then here the main method is over, then code for class is also completed. So we can use this keyword to represent the method that is having the constructor name. Likewise, we can use this keyword to pass an argument in the method call. As usual, we are defining the class with the name this stu, and we are defining the main method here this stu constructor, which is carrying two values, one is integer and another one is here string. So this is assigned to the object variable d. So since we are using the method name this stu, we have to define that this stu here. Before that, inside the class name, we are defining local variables. One is the private and the roll number 1001 is assigned, and the string variable which is having the name Ajit. Right now, for inside the constructor, we are having three statements. In these three statements, here we are passing two arguments. One is the integer data type roll and string data type capital S. For this, we are assigning the values this roll to the variable this dot roll. This dot roll means which is referring the current object. Which is the current object? D. So here the current object value we are passing here 2000 comma Hari, right, for the two variables roll and string. So this role is assigned to current object role, and Hari is assigned to the current object name. Then here you see we are passing the this values, this current object values to the method display. Then method display is we are defining here with data which are passing using the this keyword of the uh, constructor this stu. So now when we are passing this data using the this keyword, then which is printing here data dot roll, this is object. Okay, because here we are using the this student is the class name, and here we are using the object data. So the object dot the here roll number variable name and object dot variable name. So which are given here, name is given here, role is given here. So based upon that, here this role and name which are printed the values. So here 2000 is printed in the place of role, and Hari is printed in the place of name. So here we can use this keyword to pass inside the method call. So based upon that, we can use this keyword to represent the constructor call and method call. So here the constructor is this keyword is very useful to represent the current object values in the Java. Thanks for watching.